Hello guys, today let's review the Liven app. Is it worth it? Liven is a self-help app aimed at improving mental wellness through mood tracking, habit building, and AI-guided journaling. It features an AI companion named Livy, bite-sized courses, and well-being tests to assist users in managing stress and enhancing focus. The app is designed to support individuals dealing with challenges like procrastination, burnout, or ADHD. However, user experiences are mixed. Some users have reported issues with the subscription model, noting that the app renews automatically after a 7-day free trial without prior notification, and canceling the subscription requires navigating through device settings rather than within the app itself. Additionally, there are concerns about the app's content and value. Some users feel that the daily activities are brief and lack depth, and there have been complaints about the difficulty in canceling subscriptions and obtaining refunds. In summary, while Liven offers tools for self improvement, potential users should be cautious about the subscription practices and consider whether the app's content aligns with their personal development goals. So, it's up to you if you want the Liven app, but for me personally, I wouldn't consider it.